What if I told you could build complex automation workflows without touching a single node or learning hundreds of different tools or writing any kind of code? Just tell AI what you want and it will build an entire workflow for you in minutes. In this video, I'm about to show you something that's going to change how you see automations forever. N8N is already insane, but there's way too much to learn about. Well, forget everything you know about workflows. The tool that makes this possible is MCP, Model Context Protocol. And here's why it changes everything. MCPs like this are going to take over entire applications. But this N8N MCP is different. This has complete documentation access of official N8N docs. It understands 90% of the official docs, so it never actually guesses. It do the actual thing. Let me just show you the actual thing in the screen. This is the N8N MCP GitHub page. Scroll it down and you will see two options: basic configuration, full configuration. In basic configuration, it will only generate a JSON file which you have to manually import. In this video, we will implement the full configuration using Cursor AI. Open Cursor AI editor, open its settings, tools and integration, add a custom MCP, then paste the full configuration. And for this, we'll need API key of N8N. To get that, go to your N8N instance, settings, N8N API, create an API key, name your API key, copy that, and paste your API key here in the MCP server configuration. You'll also have to paste your N8N instance URL. Just copy it from your instance and paste it. Now our MCP server is ready. To make that MCP server perform better, we'll add some cursor rules. You can add cursor rules by just creating a .cursor file. In that file, create another folder called rules and then add your rules in a MDC file. Apply always and paste that Claude project setup here in cursor rules. Now all thing is set up. We'll just write a prompt in natural language to Cursor to create a workflow. Let me show you how this works with a real example. I wanted to create a Deepsearch Agent, so I'll prompt it. And as you can see, these are the tool calls that is made by the MCP server. And it also validates from the official docs of N8N that the workflow is valid or not. Here you can see all the MCP calls. And just like that, we have created an N8N agent, that deep search. As you can see, it created an agent that is not that complete. You still have to clean the layout a bit since AI created workflows usually ended up messy. Since it's messy, you have to tweak a bit to make it working for you. So as we can see, you don't need to have complex tools. You just tell AI what you want and it will create an entire workflow agent for you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe the channel. Follow for more automation content like this.